Installation video for 16-inch Model E retro bike. Step 1. Install the kickstand. Remove the screws from the kickstand. Thread the screws through the frame. Tighten the screws securely. Step 2. Install the front wheel. Loosen the single side screw and remove the front axle fixing shaft. Note, the fittings on the front fork axle are required for installing the front wheel. Remove the brake caliper protector from the brake caliper. Note, this is packaging material and can be discarded. Pre-install the front wheel. Align the brake disc rotor with the brake mount first. Install the axle core and accessories removed from the front fork onto the axle hole of the front wheel from one side. Then install the accessories and axle spacer on the other side. Screw the washer and nut onto the axle. Note, pay attention to the assembly order. Tighten the flange nuts on both sides with 15 mm open-end wrench. Note, make sure to fully fasten the nuts with the wrench. Insufficient tightening may lead to the front wheel falling off and cause safety accidents. In addition, check regularly if the nuts are loose. Check the clearance between brake rotor and brake caliper. Make sure the rotor is centered. Step 3. Install the front fender. Use a 4 mm hex wrench to remove the screws that secure the fender on the front fork. Mount the front fender onto the front fork and tighten the screws. Use a 6 mm hex wrench to remove the screws of the seat tube clamp block. Center the handlebar on the seat tube and fasten the clamp block screws. Step 4. Install the front light. Use a 14 mm open-end wrench to remove the screws on the front light. Note, install the rubber washer between the front light and the bracket. Then tighten the two screws. Step 5. Install the front light connector. Align the notches of the male and female connectors before plugging them together. Step 6. Install the saddle bracket. Use 6 mm hex wrench and a 13 mm open-end wrench to remove the saddle fixing screws. Mount the saddle bracket onto the frame and fasten the screws tightly. Step 7. Install the rear light. Align the notches of the male and female connectors before plugging them together. Step 8. Install the saddle. Tighten the saddle nut with a 10 mm T-handle wrench. Step 9. Install the pedals. Install the L pedal on the left side. Screw the left pedal onto the crank counterclockwise by hand first, then fully tighten it with a wrench. Install the R pedal on the right side. Screw the right pedal onto the crank clockwise by hand first, then fully tighten it with a wrench. The entire installation is completed here.